I want to encourage everybody to check in on the Leadership in Manufacturing podcast. Being somewhat new to this industry, it's been invaluable for me over the last couple of years as Santa's met with different leaders across our industry to connect people from manufacturing to distribution to manufacturers, reps, and the list goes on. There's so many great nuggets and so many great leaders in our organization that are shared in the podcast. And it's been really important for me to listen in, whether I'm driving or, have some downtime at home or whatever. And I find myself in the next week or the couple of weeks after some of the things that I've heard in that podcast and we're able to experience, I end up using them in my leadership. So I encourage you all to, subscribe to the podcast and listen into it frequently. So thank you so much, Santa.
Thank you. Woo.
Yeah. Okay.
I love that you're listening. Please find us on YouTube and wherever you get your podcast, and be sure to subscribe and rate us. Also, follow our LinkedIn page and Instagram, and check out leadershipinmanufacturing.com for previous episodes, blog posts, and our newsletter. So let's continue this journey together to become better leaders in the electronics industry. Remember, stay curious, keep learning. See you next time.